So now which kind of work they here like this, Oga?
Now foreign staircase.
Staircase release. Now be this one.
Now be this one.
Okay. So where you want more to start from? Look, they take our viewers around.
We'll start for this staircase.
Okay. So they explain to us what they Oga.
This top rail. This foreign design for the top rail. This foreign rods. That's 14 foot, 16 mm for the lining. This we call this one passage design.
Okay.
This one is cast, foreign cast with gold paint.
Okay, but that paint, so now you can do one.
Now me do one this way so that I go bring the beauty out. This one I see foreign design from it's not local one, it's foreign too.
Okay.
This very one we call it 40 by 40. This very one, this we want to call it for local, we call it inch half by inch half.
Okay.
But if we want to buy it for market, we call it 40 by 40. Per square meter for this very one is 110
okay.
per square meter.
110,000.
110,000 per square meter.
So make I see take and down small, make our viewers they see the way when it be. Okay, make I see from here so then.
I see the console
of the work.
Okay.
Nice you come like this.
Yes, sir.
Wow. So this very work also say it bring out the beauty of this particular step. Now, what will be the maintenance culture when our viewer will need to follow?
The maintenance. It's not to mortgage, but the maintenance for this staircase now, we use first of all we use red design.
Okay.
To do the wrought. After that, we use black.
Okay.
For the spray before we put all those goods.
So what our viewer will need to do, may know will spoil.
And they can be painting it like the one inside this house now. They can leave this one maybe for some years as it is so now so it go there.
Okay.
Nothing go do one. But the one in outside, if once in a 4 years, 5 years, they can repaint. If we can last for them 50 years, it will still remain like that.
Okay. So me when they follow you talk, my name is John Osas from Edo Talk Show. So make it tell our viewers your name.
My name is Osayomore Ogiriahi.
Okay, so Oga Ogiriahi. Other ones still the one you want to show us?
We still have the rain is for outside.
Okay, so now part of the work, see this one.
Part of the work. I see part of the work. All this one.
Okay, this one are the balcony release.
Oh, yeah. Balcony release.
Wow. Okay, so you see anything you want to tell us about this ones?
The same measurement. You go with the same 110.
Okay.
For the.
What about this one that they see like this?
I see the balcony release.
Okay.
Balcony release.
I see with this one.
Yes, sir.
This one on the same amount?
The same amount.
Wow. This one for this one. And the same for the materials, not
same for the material.
Okay. The same 110 per square meter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So other things in there?
The gate.
Okay. So this one are the gates.
Yes, sir.
Now you see build down like this.
Now we build down.
So make you explain to us what is inside the gate.
Razor cuts. The plate na razor cuts. I use that's full 2 mm 3 by inch half.
Okay.
for the framing. I use the same thing 2x1 for the lining. It's not just only this gate there, because of the design the owner give to me.
Okay.
That's why I do it like this. If you see the one that heavy part this one, I will still give it to you.
Okay.
This is the main design here now. Razor cuts and a very simple gate, but I do it qualities. Very quality gates.
Okay.
As this gate be now, you can spend some years, nothing will happen to them. Very solid with the material. Very, very solid.
So now what will be the size of this gate?
The size of the gate is 14 feet.
Okay.
Exactly 14 feet. That is the size of the gate.
Okay. So the entrance,
to pillar, that is 12 feet.
Okay.
12 feet. Pillar to pillar is 12 feet. Where the gate is 14 feet.
Why the gate can't be 14 feet? You can't pass
because of the lapping. In case they want to open it, it will lap for the wall, for the side. But if you do exactly that 12 feet, it will not size the entrance.
Okay.
And it will fall out of the fence. That's why we do it 14 feet.
Okay, 1 foot will
this one side will collect 1 foot,
while the other
side collects 2 feet.
Okay.
That's all.
So how much these gates they go for?
These gates, this very one, it go for 1 million.
1 million naira.
Yes.
Okay.
This very one.
With all this material like this?
Yes.
And 1 million naira.
1 million.
Hope not be the one when if you don't beat and 2 times you don't wash, come on.
This one I can stay years, nothing will do am.
Okay.
Nothing will do am. Depend on
so the correct iron you use for here.
Correct iron. You can't use your hand to hit itself, except you hold so to hit it.
Okay. So all these ones here?
The same thing. This is the fence rail.
This one a fence release. Nice to be this one we did this side.
And we use it so that I go with the gates.
With the gates. Wow. This one too, I see part of the fence.
Yes, sir. Same thing.
So if you see they tell us this particular fence release, how much should they go for?
This fence release depends the measurement. Like okay. This measurement, this 8 feet plus, we go with that's a 150,000.
150,000.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Okay. So if you did less than that 8 foot, or the 8 feet rather, the money will still reduce.
Yes, sir.
So this very gate when they see so now, which have you assuming you do for them? Now
I do for them.
Because if you show them from the back, let us see the way when it be.
I can roll it so that they can see.
Okay.
Very easy to roll, very easy to push. Even a small baby can roll it.
So you sound enter that the rail track, you know go stop am.
You know go stop, you go remove. You know go stop. See it now, the thing go once, nothing stop it.
Okay.
You cannot even use power to push it. You go by itself.
Wow. Okay, Soga, make you come here, make our viewers see your face.
Okay.
We don't see the beautiful work when you do for this our viewer. Let the blessing and the best now you give up.
Yes, sir.
So if our viewer they need you, you can't do this kind of work for that part of the country, especially the west. If you go there, go do it.
Yes, sir.
So make you give us your phone number in case they want to reach out to you.
080-350-325-83.
Okay.
080-350-325-83.
Okay. So our viewers all over the world, thank you for the time when they watch our videos and motivation when they give us. Okay, thank you all and God bless.